Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started today, I just want to give a big shout out to the first 4 commenters for my last video. Thank you so much to Lady Starbrook, Nurse Katie Does Nails, Linda's Pretty Press-Ons, and Pretty Nails Uncut. And thank you to each and every single one of you that watch, like, subscribe to my content, and my members, my family, and friends. And speaking of, keep an eye during the video for my member shoutouts. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you'll join me for more. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. This is the Katie Cat Nails channel, and today we're going to get into the Aloha Aurora Queen collection from Sweetie Nail Supply. I do believe that right now they are either on their way to not shipping to the US due to something that's going to be going on with the tariffs again, or they're about to be. So unfortunately, if you are in the US, I don't think that you can get your hands on this unless it's sold somewhere else, which I don't know if it is. But like I said, if you have been here for other videos, I've said I've been on a winning spree lately. I can't talk today. I'm so sorry. And this was one of the other things that I won. This was the Aurora Queen collection. Okay, the Aloha. They're very, very pretty. They are super, super jelly with a slight color to them. Very, very, like, when you first apply them, you're going to think that, like, oh, this is one of those glitters where the chunky glitters stick out of it. The glitters sink in the polish. Like, they level out completely. It is so incredible. So I'm basically just going to let you guys watch me swatch them. I did put a white and a black on the handle of the stick just because it's with it being so transparent. I want you guys to be able to see that there is a little bit of color to them. And then I have a special surprise for you at the end of the video. So definitely keep watching. If you need any information about this product, I can go ahead and get you the link. But again, if you're in the US, I don't know if you'll be able to order it. So please just keep that in mind. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed these gels. I definitely have some ideas for the clears and the blue one come winter time. I probably won't use any of them this fall. I don't know, I might. But I'm super, super grateful to have received them. So thank you so much, Sweetie Nail Supply. I truly do appreciate you guys holding that giveaway. And I hope that everything evens itself out for you guys with this stupid tariff business. It is hurting so many small businesses, and I am so sorry. I'm hearing people across social medias talk about how their small business, them and their husband, or them and their sister, or them and their kids, cannot ship anywhere outside of the US because the tariffs, they can't afford to. And I think that that's really unfortunate because it just goes to show you the priorities. And you know, companies, big companies can afford it, you know, the little companies can't. So I think that it sucks, and I'm really sorry that you guys are being affected by that as well. I know the whole world is just reeling from this. It's just a complete mess. So, you know, my heart goes out to you guys, and I hope that your business, you know, survives all this crazy tariff shenanigan nonsense. And, yeah, I did actually absolutely love swatching these gels. So I cannot wait to use them in a set. So with that being said, I am just going to go ahead and let you guys watch these. The two girls are being absolute terrors today, and I want to try to small batch record a group of videos. So I'm just going to try to get this out, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go check out Sweetie Nail Supply just to check them out, and then as soon as the tariff situation is all settled, if you are from the US, you will be able to order from them. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like and subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you here.